What if you can earn a minimum of $4,165 per sale? Well, if you like that, you're gonna love this video. All right, let's get straight into it. All right, one of the most lucrative affiliate niches to get into, if you didn't know, is the gold investing niche, right? It's a lot of money floating around when it comes to investing in gold. And if you are an affiliate marketer, you can make a killing if you decide to go all in on this opportunity. Now, there are several affiliate programs when it comes to gold investing. I actually did some videos in the past about another company, but I recently came across this new company, and it's called Augusta Precious Metals and Gold IRA. I know that's a lot. I think it's like a tongue twister. But anyway, when I read about this opportunity, this affiliate program, I'm like, damn, right? This is crazy money. When you talk about high ticket affiliate marketing, this is it. All right, so here's the deal though. Gold niche, it's a grind, right? If you decide to jump into this, yes, you can make some crazy money, but be prepared to work, right? Be dedicated to this if you decide to take this endeavor, right? So here's the thing though. The cool thing when it comes to this program, whenever you get a customer, so to speak, right, the minimum investment someone can make, right, is $50,000. All right. So with that being said, you're going to get, on bare minimum, you're going to get $165 just for them qualifying, right, to purchase the gold. Then once the deal goes through, you're going to get another $4,000 commission. And that's if you get somebody to sign up and do what they need to do. That's if they're doing the bare minimum. You're going to walk away with $4,165 for that one commission. All right. So to be on a just crazy income opportunity, I'm only using the 4,000 as like bare minimum. But if you get somebody as an affiliate, right, to join Augusta, and they actually do a higher end, say for example they did like a $500,000 gold investment or about that much, you could earn, no joke, damn it, you could look it up for yourself, you can earn over $50,000 for one commission. All right, but I'm keeping that to 4,000 because a lot of people are like, oh, that's too unrealistic. It's real, right? So here's the thing though. And here's why I really don't mess with this niche. As profitable as it is, and I just don't got the energy and the dedication when it comes to the whole gold niche and all that, because you really got to take this serious. You really need to look at this as a business, right? Like if you jump into this is not something that you can just post on Facebook or post on TikTok, right? You really need to have a plan and really implement the plan. Now, if you do get accepted as an affiliate with any of these programs, they will give you marketing. They will give you, tips and tricks on how to get in front of, your market. But even beyond that, I think you need to really have a plan. Now, when it comes to this gold niche, especially with this company, they even state on their site, the people, their most likely clients are going to be people from the ages of 55 to 75 years old, and pretty much have that conservative Republican, basically a conservative Republican views, those types of people, right? So you need to keep that in mind with your marketing. This is why you can't just put out stuff any and everywhere. You really have to get in front of a specific group of people, right? Now, if you can figure that out, then you good to go. If you can figure that out, you can make a killing. If you can figure that out, holla at me, right? But I do got a little idea. I ain't gonna lie, right? It even crossed my mind to do it. But like I said, I just don't really want to focus on, like, that's not my demographic. I don't want to deal with that. But if you're watching this video and you fall in that demographic, or you even know people, right? This is what I would do if you get accepted into this affiliate program. I would ask myself, okay, where are people, right, that are pretty much wealthy, because you got to have some money, right, to be able to buy gold, invest in gold and all that metals and stuff. So ask yourself, like, where are these people at, right? So I'm just thinking, just off the top, like country clubs, right? Like high-end country clubs. What I would do is I would go to the owners or the people who go to these country clubs. I'm talking bougie, high-end, where all the money at, right? I would work something out where you can have some really, really good professional looking marketing material, right? And see if you can like basically advertise there, or put some sort of flyers or QR codes or whatever. I would hit up a whole bunch of high-end like country clubs and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Even if you could have little brochures and everything at like the bar, not the bar, but you know, where they eat at the country club and stuff. See if you can just have stuff there. And that right there, if the marketing is right, they'll take something if they see where you can earn all this money and gold investing and all this. Oh yeah. People with money, they gonna see that and be like, ooh, I could flip this, or ooh, I could get this, or da da da. You can make a killing just doing that. So if I was to jump in this niche, I would probably take that approach and not only use the whole country club vibe. I would actually think other places. I can't think of that right now because I'm not focused on it, but I would think of other places, like where would these people be, right? Where, I mean, damn, maybe you could do it at a Trump rally. You know what I'm saying? Republicans love Trump. Maybe you could take materials there. He's about to run for president again, I think, right? But like really seriously, like think where 55 to 75, you know, and they got money. Where do these people be? Once you figure that out, get some good professional marketing material, get a strategy, whatever, right? And because honestly, think about it. Even if you can close 2 deals a month, right? You're looking at $8 grand a month, right? And don't let it be nothing higher than that. Like let these people who invest in 200,000 in gold and this and that. I mean, you get the point. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, that's how you can actually earn a minimum of $4,000, $4,165 commissions, bare minimum. All right. If you want to check out Augusta Precious Metals affiliate program, I'll put a link in the description. Just look for it. You'll see it. Now, if you want to check out what I'm doing to earn a recurring monthly income and something that you can promote to a lot more people, you definitely want to check out this video right here.